Our focus for today is on lining up our numbers so that when we divide with our decimals, we're set. So we're using grid paper today to help us line up our numbers. It's going to be important to make sure that the size of your numbers fits inside the boxes. So let's start with our first problem. 6 going into 4 does not go into 4, so I put a 0. 6 into 46. I can think about my facts. I know that 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. I have to go with 7. 7 up on top, and then I can do my subtraction. 42. Should I put my symbol in? 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Making sure my 4 is smaller than this number tells me I chose the right number to subtract. Now I'm going to drop my 3 down, and now I have 43. Oh, I can look at that and know that 42 is the right number to use again. So 7 and 42. Subtracting. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Drop down my 2. 6 into 12. Oh, that's one of my 2's facts. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. I've run out of numbers to bring down, and I have a 0. There is no remainder. My answer is 772. Let's take a look at the second problem. Again, we start with our first number. 5 goes into 9 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 is smaller than 5. We're good to move on. Drop my 2 down. 5 and 42. I know 8 times 5 is 40. Subtracting. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 is smaller than 5. I'm good to move on. Drop down my 1. 5 into 21. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 is smaller than 5. I'm good to move on. Drop my 4 all the way down. 14, close to 15, but not quite. So I have to go with 5 times 2 is 10. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 is smaller than 5. There are no more numbers to drop down. So instead I have a remainder, and my number down here is 4. Let's do one more problem together. 7 goes into 4, 0 times. 7 goes into 46. Well, I can actually look back over here and know that I used 6 times 7 for that fact. So this time I can use 7 times 6. 42. Subtracting. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 is smaller than 7. I'm good to go on. Dropping down my 6. I have 46 again, so I'm going to use the same number. 42 minus, I have 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 is smaller than 7, so I can move on to my last number. 7 into 49, that's 7 times 7. 49 minus 49 is 0. No more numbers to bring down. My bottom is 0. My number is finished. Now go ahead and complete the rest of the worksheet on your own.